Hey you guys, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to be doing a print quality test on the HP Officejet Pro 8135. Basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be testing out this printer, printing off a regular document, which we'll do here in just a few seconds. And then I will be printing off 3 different photos in this video. You'll be able to see the print quality that this printer is able to produce when it's printing on photo paper. There will be product links down in the description below for the photo paper I end up using in this video, this printer, and other products I end up talking about in this video. Alright, so this printer has some very fast printing speed. You're able to print 20 pages per minute with some regular documents such as these. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. This is the photo paper we're going to be using, HP Premium Plus. And the way you're going to put this into your printer, into your paper tray, is you're going to take it with the glossy side up, and then you're going to flip it upside down. Now with this printer, you can print with various different types of media. Of course, photo paper, HP matte brochure, professional paper. You also are able to print with thicker, glossy inkjet papers, thick plain paper as well. Okay, so anytime you're installing a new type of paper into the paper tray, the printer is going to ask you what type of paper you're installing. Now when you're installing photo paper, it's very important that you indicate that you are loading up the paper tray with photo paper. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here. There is an option. You see various options, but select the one that pertains to the type of photo paper that you're going to be using. In my case, it's HP photo papers. So that's going to cover a wide variety of different photo papers. And once that's installed, we can now begin the process of printing out our very first photo. The settings absolutely matter when you're printing photos. I'm using the HP Smart app. You can go in there and you want to make sure that you have the right thing selected. Best quality selected. You're going to want to make sure you have the right photo paper selected. And with the correct settings, with the correct type of photo paper selected, you should get something like this that is high quality, pristine, and overall just captures the detail of the photo that we initially set out to print. Now moving on to our second photo, of course we want to do the same thing. We want to use the correct settings. And if you don't know how to use the correct settings, you're going to want to invest some time into learning it. Go on Google, ask what are the right settings for this type of photo paper. Just be mindful of the settings, because when you're mindful of the settings, printing is just so much easier. You don't have to reprint, you don't have to waste photo paper. It's very frustrating. And this photo came out even better than the last one. You can see this photo is clear, pristine. The colors are very vibrant. This is the type of quality that this printer is able to produce. Link down in the description below for the HP Officejet Pro 8135. Let's print our last photo. And yes, we're sticking with a spring theme. Photos that capture the essence of spring are very colorful, are very fresh and new, and that's really what you're able to see in these photos. So I like to use photos that have a lot of color, that have a lot of depth, because that's really going to help you understand the quality and the range of what this printer is able to handle and able to produce. So I'm very satisfied with the print quality that the HP Officejet Pro 8135 is able to produce. If you were interested in buying this printer, or you needed to buy some new ink, or you wanted to use the photo paper I used in this video, there's going to be a link down in the description below. Also, if you're having trouble printing, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for a cleaning kit. It's a cleaning kit that I sell, that I use on printers that are having trouble printing. I have instructions for this specific printer or other printers on my channel. So there will be a link for all these products down in the description below. But I hope that this video ended up helping you see the print quality that this printer is able to produce. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.